In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move sections really quickly in Wix Studio. If you're working on a website and want to reorganize your content, this feature can save you a ton of time and frustration. Whether you're adjusting the placement of a blog section, an image gallery, or a testimonials block, getting the layout right is key to creating a professional-looking site. So let's dive in and walk through this simple process step by step so you can get your site looking exactly the way you want. To start, open Wix Studio by navigating to the platform's homepage. If you're already familiar with Wix Studio, you probably know where to find it. But if not, simply go to their website. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login option. It's located in the top corner of the page, easy to spot. Click on that, and it'll take you to the sign-in screen. Now, sign in using your preferred method. Wix offers a few convenient options here. For example, you can use Continue with Google if you want a quick and seamless login experience, of course, if you prefer. You can also use other methods like entering your email and password. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to your main Wix dashboard. From the dashboard, access your website editor. This is where all the design magic happens. If you're managing multiple sites, make sure you select the specific site you want to work on before opening the editor. Now that you're in the website editor, it's time to locate the section you'd like to move. Take a moment to review your site's layout. Scroll through the page and identify the specific section that you wish to reposition. It could be a blog section, an image gallery, a testimonial section, or any other block you've added to your site. Once you've found the section you want to move, click on it. This will highlight the section, making it clear that you've selected the right area. When the section is highlighted, you'll notice a small menu or options bar appears. Look for the three dots icon near the selected section. This icon represents additional options, so go ahead and click on it. Doing so will open a drop-down menu with a list of actions you can perform. From this options menu, you'll see two key choices, move up and move down. Let's say you want the section to appear higher on the page. Simply click Move Up, and the section will shift one position upward, placing it above the section that was directly above it. If you want the section to move down instead, click Move Down, and it will shift below the section that was directly beneath it. You can repeat this process as many times as necessary to get your sections in the perfect order. For instance, if you need to move a section several spaces up or down, you can continue using the Move Up or Move Down options until everything is arranged just how you want it. It's a straightforward and intuitive process, and the changes are reflected instantly in the editor, so you can see your adjustments in real time. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily rearrange your website's sections without needing to start from scratch or make any complicated changes. This feature is super handy for fine-tuning your design and ensuring your site looks polished and professional. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.